How to turn off notification sound on a Snapchat app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn off notification sound on a Snapchat app. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat app on your device. Log in to your account. Proceed to the Bitmoji icon at top left corner of the screen. Now select your icon at top right corner of the screen. On Settings section, scroll down and navigate to the option of Notifications. Tap on it. Scroll down and select Sound option. Once you have chosen Sound, uncheck the box next to it. And then the notification sound on a Snapchat app will be turned off. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.